You stop letting situations pass by where your voice could have made a difference. This builds a sense of pride. Not the arrogant kind, the kind that comes from knowing you didn't hide. That pride becomes a quiet source of strength you carry everywhere. There's also another benefit you may not think of.
We got money!
Speak your opinion, give permission for others to do the same. Many people stay quiet for the same reasons you might have. They're afraid of judgment, of making a mistake.
No,
When you break that silence, you make it easier for them to follow. This creates better conversation, deeper relationships, and stronger teams. You will face moments where the discomfort of speaking feels overwhelming. Your voice shakes, maybe your heart races. That's not a sign to stop. That's a sign you're growing. Growth never feels completely comfortable. If you wait for the nerves to go away before you speak up, you'll stay in the same place. The courage to speak while nervous is what transforms you.
It's gone.
One useful way to prepare yourself for uncomfortable moments is to think about your values ahead of time. Know what matters to you. If you are clear about what you stand for, it's easier to speak up when the situation challenges those values. You won't have to scramble to decide. You'll already know where you stand. This clarity makes your confidence stronger, because you're not just speaking randomly. You're speaking from a place of conviction. You should also understand that speaking is not about dominating the conversation. It's about contributing. That means you also have to listen. Confidence is knowing your opinion matters.
We got scared of there's something on the floor.
When no respect
We're inside. We're inside. We're inside. We're here. And we got to go.
just talking.
Still this morning, spend once the trip.com quite with our readers.
Over time, speaking your opinion in uncomfortable moments becomes less about courage and more about habit. You'll notice that you no longer hesitate as much. You begin to feel comfortable addressing a room, stating your position in a meeting, or expressing a different viewpoint among friends. What once felt like a risk will start to feel natural. The people who succeed in life are rarely the ones who always stayed safe and silent. They are the ones who are willing to risk being uncomfortable in order to be true to themselves. If you want to build a personality that stands out and confidence that holds up under pressure, you need to be one of those people. Start practicing today. The next time you feel that hesitation rising in your heart, the courage to stay quiet when you have something real to say, choose the harder option, speak. Say your opinion clearly and respectfully. Then notice how you feel. You'll realize that discomfort passes quickly, but the strength you gain stays with you. Do it again tomorrow, and again the next day. This is how you change who you are in the eyes of others, and more importantly, in your own eyes.
Not again, but I
Each time you
fixed
speak your
this.
opinion,
Literally,
even when it feels
right
uncomfortable, you are proving to yourself that your voice matters, that your presence matters, and that you have the courage to stand by what you believe. Over time, this will not just improve your confidence, it will become the foundation of the person you are proud to be. Chapter 3. Meet people first to show you are confident. Meeting people first is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can develop. If you want to project confidence and leave a strong impression, many people underestimate how much influence this one action has on how others see you and how you feel about yourself. When you take the initiative to greet someone, you are showing that you are open